So we start off today's video with this blonde bob transformation. So she starts off with this shoulder length hair. The stylist cuts the hair into a bob. She gets a beautiful blunt bob cut with this transformation. And then of course she does go platinum with the coloring, dyeing the eyebrows. Wow. She looks absolutely amazing, and I am so happy that she did the bleach brows with this look. She just looks stunning with this transformation. Such a beauty. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we were taking a look at a variety of hair transformations. So next up, we have someone who wants to try out the mullet trend. And she already has like this really pretty blue hair. Not sure she's gonna keep that. Oh, it looks like she wants to go dark brown. So the stylist colors the hair. Oh man, I'm so sad that we didn't get to see the end result for that, but I'm sure it looked gorgeous. But here we have someone else trying out the mullet trend. I love her hair color, such a fun hue. Wow. This mullet is very rocker chic. Love the makeup as well. Gorgeous. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone trying out some layers. I love how thick and full her eyebrows are, so pretty. And the layered hair looks gorgeous. She does have the feathered curtain bangs with this look. Beautiful blowout style. So here we have another long to short transformation. Oh, she ended up getting a bob with bangs. Love the texture that the stylist did for this particular look. Definitely has a nice wispiness to it. And then we have someone doing a curly haircut. So she's doing the unicorn method in order to cut her hair with this. This is also known as the wolf cuts. Oh, so she did a nice DIY layered look with bangs. Hair looks amazing. Wow, beautiful pixie bob transformation. Loving the color. And then we see someone with really pretty red hair. Looks like she's also going to be getting a bob. Oh, very nice angled bob with the center part down the middle. I think what I love most about this is definitely the red color. So pretty. And she does have more of like a pixie bob with this transformation as well. So here we have another mullet transformation. Hopefully we'll get to see the end result for this one. Alright, so let's see what he ends up doing. I love the way that the color looks within the cut. Very cool. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.